Let's know the story of Mr. Duke, lives in Covina. Few days ago, his Android phone experienced sudden screen damage. He became devastated and looking for perfect solution to quick replace the screen. He started searching over the internet about the best Android phone repair store near me. After few searches, he found iTech Xpress. This certified Android phone repair store in Covina offers factory-grade screen repair or replacement services. Their knowledgeable technician offers free estimation of screen replacement costs. They always use the highest quality genuine spare parts for replacement. He got to know that their 30 days guaranteed screen repair service available at affordable prices. Without any hesitation, he contacted them at 626-777-4747 and quick fix his damaged Android phone screen. Want to know more about their service? Browse through https://itechexpressing.com.